Hello world, Shelly here, and I've got a quick little eye look, get ready with me for this golden number going on right here. And I'm going to use the Aphrodite palette from Bad Habit. This is available on the Hush app for $12. It is a similar palette or a dupe for the Huda Beauty Rose Gold palette. And as you see, it is definitely a rose gold. So I did this little golden number. I'm gonna give you guys a quick little eye look, get ready with me, and let's get into it. First I'm going to take this shade Koi. It's a little bit too dark to set all of my primer, but I'm just going to set basically the crease and transition area of my primer with this yellowish Koi. Next I'm going to take a large tapered crease brush. This is the Wayne Goss 03 in that shade Admire, and use that as my transition shade. If you've got hooded lids, just take it a little bit above the crease, because otherwise that color is going to get sucked in and you're not going to be able to see it when you open your eyes. Next I'm going to take my Sigma E25 blending brush and the shade Passion and take this right into the crease. Keep it a little bit lower than where you placed that last shade. Next I'm going to take a flat shader brush. This is the MAC 233 and the shade Euphoria, and put this on the outer 2/3 of my lid. Oh, this is pretty. Even dry, this is really pretty. With that same brush, just wipe it off in a color switch. We are going to go into Tease and use this on the inner third of the lid. I'm going to take my Makeup Geek Outer V brush and go into the shade Jealousy, just like it's a little bit of a reddish brown to deepen the outer corner. And if you have droopy or hooded lids, you may think of the trick from Nisha over at Sugar Puff and Fluff. She describes the area as an outer 7 instead of an outer V, and that really helps me to visualize the shape as I'm laying down color in my outer corner, because it just helps lift up that area if you've got droopy or hooded lids. The blending brush with no product, this is the Sigma E35. I'm just going to use little tiny swirling motions to blend this out and take whatever's left in that outer corner toward the inner middle crease. For inner corner highlight, I'm going to use Tease. For lower lash line, I'm going to take a small pencil brush and the shade Jealousy and line this very close to the lower lash line. With that same brush, I'm going to go smoke that out with Passion. And here's the finished look. There you have it, a quick little golden eye. Get ready with me using the Hush Bad Habit Aphrodite palette. If you would like to see more of these, quick little get ready with me eye looks, give me a thumbs up down below. Let me know in the comments what palettes you would like to see me check out. And as always, thanks a lot for taking some time out of your day to geek out over makeup with me. Come back every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, 9 p.m. Eastern Time for more videos. Subscribe if you haven't already. Click the notification bell if you don't want to miss any of them. And thanks a lot. I hope you all have an awesome day or night wherever you are in the world. Take care of each other. Bye-bye.